God bless me. Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. So today's video is going to be a meal prep with me. This is like a spur of the moment video, which is why I look so dusty and crusty and my air fryer is going. But I've actually been recording this whole video. I'm just now shooting the intro part. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I've been getting a lot of requests for people to show my meals, what I meal prep and stuff like that. So I hope you guys enjoy this meal prep. This one's actually really fast, easy, straight to the point. We gotta do really nothing. The only thing you have to do is prep your meat and season it. Everything else is pretty much self-explanatory. It's really good for people who are not huge cookers like myself. I'm not a huge cooker, but I need to meal prep and I need to cook in order to be successful on my weight loss journey and just getting back into the swing of things. So yeah, this video will probably be a voiceover but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Turn on those post notifications. Give us a like. You know the drill. I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Bye.
So this is the chicken that I use. I get it from Trader Joe's and it's about 120 calories per serving, and the serving size is usually about 4 ounces. So I just prep this and it's really actually good in the air fryer. This is the salmon I use. It's about 300 calories for every 6 ounces. So that's not too bad. And I get this from Walmart. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and prep my meats. Get them nice and seasoned. We like our food nice and seasoned over here. I don't know what y'all do at y'all place, but I don't care what is going on. We're gonna season our food, okay? What am I gonna do? So it be my soul can't go on without you. My rainy days fade away when you come around. Please tell me, baby, why you go so far away? Why you go? Now I'm gonna go ahead and just show y'all my rice. I use this brand. Sometimes I use just regular brown rice, but today I wanted to switch it up. And it's about 270 calories per serving size. So I do about 2/3 of a cup of this rice. I don't do a full cup. then we're just gonna put our meat in the air fryer and let it do its thing. It's just that easy. Just prep your meat, throw it in the air fryer, the oven, throw it on a skillet if you're feeling fancy. I put it in the air fryer just to make my life a little bit easier. I ain't gotta watch it, I ain't gotta do nothing. I just let it do its thing. Now that our water is nice and boiling, we're gonna put our rice in. I just follow the instructions, y'all. Let it come to a boil, then let it sit in there for a little bit on a low heat so it gets all nice and fluffy, and occasionally stir, and you're good to go. Okay, don't overthink it, sis. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and put our veggies. I love this broccoli. I get it at Walmart. HEB has it. Maybe Kroger has it too. You can literally pop it in the microwave for 5 minutes and you have nice, good broccoli. It's seasoned very well and it's only 60 calories for the whole bag.
Alrighty, so I've got my meals here. I'm officially done creating my meals. This is what the salmon plate comes out looking like. Not the best lighting, but you get the point. And we are set for the week, for the work week. We're all set for the work week. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that video of me meal prepping. I tried to do the best that I could with what I have. It's been a long day. I've been like moving around all day and running errands, and I still have one errand to run tomorrow. So it has been a day of just running errands, running all over the town, running all over. Like, my head is cut off. So yeah, tomorrow is a more laid back day, more easier day. I don't really have much to do tomorrow. But yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning in to my meal prep with me video. I hope you guys learned something. If you are on your weight loss journey, definitely let me know how you feel about my little meal prep. Oh, I need to redo my lashes. They look terrible. God bless me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a comment down below if you guys want to see more videos like this. Turn on those post notifications. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. And I'm going to see you guys in the next video. I don't know why I just got really hyped. But I'm going to see you guys in the next video. Bye.